students. Today we have another topic, career planning in the subject human resource management. What is meant by career planning? What is the objective of this? Career planning has briefing about what is a career, what is career planning process, tips to build a career, importance of career planning, need for career planning, benefits of career planning, myths, sources of career planning. We will discuss in this session. First of all, we will have a brief idea about what is meant by career. Career planning is an occupation or profession that one undertakes for a long period of his lifetime and derive a monetary benefit from it. For example, if someone is painting picture for a long time but does not expect to gain money, reward will be considered as a hobby rather than career. Similarly, if he exhibits his painting in a gallery for prospective buyers, they will consider as his profession. And career planning is a systematic process by which one selects career goals and the path to these goals. From the organization's viewpoint, it means helping the employees to plan their career in terms of their capacities within the extent of organization needs. A career can be developed by an individual within one organization or several others. Considering career planning as a process within the organization, career planning is that part of professional administration which aims at developing paths through which employees may progress in the organization over time. And what is meant by career planning? Career planning consists of activities and actions that you take to achieve your individual goals. It is a way by which one can achieve goals and ambitions successfully. It is a difference between success and failure which always leads to satisfactory results. It is a vision. Career planning is a vision. And career planning process is very simple. It has to be analyzed and self-upgrading and improvement which leads you towards a success. There are 5 steps to active planning. In the career planning process, we have to analyze ourselves where we are more accurate, where we have knowledge, where we will improve. That we have to be analyzed and we can have an idea regarding that. And by analyzing all these things, self-upgrading thing we have to done over there. Then we will get an improvement. By doing all these things which leads to get as an success of our career. There are 5 steps to achieve our plan of success. That is, first, self-assessment, exploration and research, decision making, taking action, and evaluation. It leads to get success of in our career. What is meant by self-assessment? Self-assessment revolves around the thoughtful consideration, reflection, and evaluation of your interests, personality characteristics, values, and skills through variety of methods such as the use of a whole host of career related tools and instruments. Then another step, exploration and research. The career planning component consisting of exploration and research is all about being in information gathering mode. In this information gathering mode, we have to analyze in the self assessment what we analyzed in the self assessment. What are the characteristics, what is the personality, and what are the interests we have, and what are the values we will implement over here, what are the skills we have, that we are assessing in the self assessment. According to that self assessment, we are exploring that self assessment into the reality by analyzing the research. For this, time to explore and time to collect the information, organize all the collected informations in available resources. Then we can analyze the collected information to exploring the time where this can be implemented. That we have to be decided in the exploration and research period of time. And then after doing of exploration and research process, we have to take a decision. In the decision making step of the career planning process is when you put all the pieces of information, carefully collected career information together as best as possible to produce a list of career related goals and options. What the assesses we have to made over there, and what are the research and exploration has to be done. According to that, we have to take the decision. What we have to be exploring all the information that has to be come into the one particular sentence. It will give us an career development in the decision making. And after decision making, we will have another step is taking action. In this step, literally being proactive with your career plans and following through with what you have to be decided on doing. That we have to take an action and we can go on to do but think. And then after taking of an action, we can done the evaluation also. After doing of going on our action, after that we will be made career related decisions. Identify your goals are we have to keep in that mind, and we can make that folks who have achieved a career success are the only one continuously or not. That we have to be evaluate and assess their status and keep track of their career progress throughout the work. If it is not going well, means we have to be go and evaluate self-assessment. Then we can make some process over here. And then what are the tips for the building a career? Realize your goals. First you can realize your goals. And never stop learning. You have to be a continuous learner. Then only you can get more and more information regarding your career, and you can implement where you need that information. And ask and listen and learn. You have to ask your peers, your subordinates, your superiors also regarding your job position and careers. What are the opportunities are there? What is the thing is going in our present job, that we have to listen carefully and have to learn in that particular things, and fulfill your current job. Have to fulfill our current job situations. Build your network throughout the peers and superiors and subordinates. Prepare yourself and make a good career. Importance of career planning. Why career planning is important? Second chance are very rare, so we have to be capitalize on the opportunity available to us. That's why career planning is important. If you don't plan, it does not success. That's why the career planning is important. And need of career planning. We live in competitive world which follow the policy of survival of fittest, law of jungle, where those who are weak are crushed by mighty. Career planning is tool to make a person competitive world. You will be in the competitive world. You have to survive means you need to build your career in positive manner. You have to compete your competitor. You need to develop your career. Otherwise, you won't compete your competitors. They will be thrown you in the top to bottom. And what are the benefits of career planning? An individual conduct a research and the results led to an increased awareness in the field of interest. Strives day and night to achieve the vision. More chances of becoming a dignified and a respected professionals. Less chances of becoming the rotten tomato. These are the benefits on the career planning. Choosing a career planning, it is a simple, but by implementing and developing in a career is very difficult. Career counselor can tell me what occupation to pick. Once I choose a career, I will be stuck to it. If my best friend or brother or uncle or neighbor is happy in particular field, I will be too. These are the myths we will be implement over the career planning. And source of planning. In the source of planning, students seeks to knowledge for career planning for various channels. So some of the channels are listed here: family and friends, and changing market trends, professional counseling. Professional counseling can be getted through the teachers, lecturers, professors, and various professionals in their industries, mass media, and following in the shoes of role model influencers. These are the sources for to made a plan regarding our career. And coming to the conclusion of career planning is must for every individual in order to become successful in life. Career planning brings out the best within individual and helps utilize personal skills, abilities to the optimum level. This is regarding the career planning. Thank you, students.